All right, Assalamualaikum and a very good evening to my fellow candidate. So, can you introduce yourself?
My name is Azim bin Sharuddin. I study at DTM KL.
I see. All right, so I'm gonna brief you over of what the interview is gonna comprise about. So, actually, we want you to test our website, which is a web-based system called Mr. DIY. So, why we're doing this system is because it is part of our final year project. So, as a tester, what you have to do is to test the website, either it is functioning or not, how appealing is the design is, and you can also give your opinion on how to improve the website. This test will be recorded and all user information are within our reach. User will need to spend around 20 minutes to complete the website testing. Additionally, the users will need to follow the instruction that will be given by the instructors, which is me. My name is FARIS Iman and my friend AZRI. Alright, so before we proceed into the website itself, I need to ask you a few questions. So the first question is, have you used the old Mr. DIY website before?
No, never.
Yep. So, alright, we can skip question 2. We can, I think, what have you used any e-commerce website before?
Yes.
So, what do you think your experiences on that website is like in generally, your experience with e-commerce websites?
It's really convenient.
Really convenient. Alright, we can proceed towards the website. You may share your screen. Alright, I'll pass to my friend, Mr. Hazim, to conduct the testing procedure. Right, Hazim, can open your mic. Thank you.
Okay, Azim, click the home, click the website. Okay, click the login button at the above right. Input your email. Okay. Before we purchasing or something, go to the About Us menu. Okay, scroll down. Okay, click the button everywhere at the below. Everywhere. You see, okay, it working perfectly. Okay, click the other button. Okay, working perfectly. Okay. Okay, at the contact us, scroll below. Scroll a bit. Yes, contact us. Can you scroll up a bit? Okay, at the get in touch to input the information in it. You have to input it first. Okay. Alright. Thanks for submitting. Okay. Before we go in further for purchasing items, we're about to proceed with the chat. Okay. Mr. Faris, can you take the lead for one?
Yeah, sure. Alright, Mr. Hazim, you may click on the bottom right.
Okay, chat.
Alright, you can try chatting with the live support for now.
proceed check out lah.
Mr. Hazim?
Alright. Okay, enter a promo code using the coupon code above.
Okay.
Yeah, use that code. Okay.
100% off. Check out
Okay, check out. I just want to place a test order. Okay. Do you want to change anything? Shipping details?
No.
Okay, place order.
Place order.
Alright, okay. Check the email. Is this the email that you got? Okay. Alright, it seems it's working perfectly. Okay, I go back to the main, to the home of DIY. It's DIY. Okay, click logout. Click logout. Click the profile button. Okay, logout. Okay, it seems that it's working perfectly. Okay, Mr. Faris, can you take the lead right now?
Alright, sure. So that concludes our user testing. So before we conclude our little interview, if you don't mind, can I ask you some questions, Mr. Azim?
Yes.
Alright, so the first question is, so what is your opinion regarding this website in terms of layout? Is it very user-friendly? Is it pleasing to use?
I think it's really modern and organized.
I see. So in terms of color, what do you think about the color scheme we use, which is blue and yellow? Is it very pleasing to the eyes, or is it very hurtful to the eyes?
It's very nice.
I see. So for the last question, so far in terms of functionality, is it what you would expect for in a very average e-commerce website?
I think it's 100% perfectly functional.
I see. All right. Thank you for your opinion, and we can stop recording. And thank you again for being our tester, Mr. Assalamualaikum and a very good evening. So, can you introduce yourself? Boleh perkenalkan diri tak?
Oh, nama saya Haziman bin Hazril. Saya pernah bersekolah dekat sekolah menengah masakan Pandai Indah dekat area rumah je. Itulah.
Okay. Sebelum tu, saya akan brief dulu apa interview ni about. So, saya akan berbahasa dalam bahasa Inggeris. Interview ni pasal kita actually we are redesigning Mr. DIY's website because of it's part of our final year project user interface. So you as the tester, what you have to do is to test the website in terms of functionality and design. Is the design pleasing or not? And as well as the functions such as like purchasing an item or adding item to cart is functional or not. You also can give your opinion on how to improve the website. So this test will be recorded and all user information are within our reach. User will need to spend around 20 minutes to complete the website testing. Additionally, the user will need to follow the instruction that will be given by the instructor, which is me. My name is Iman, and the second tester, Hazim. Alright, so before we proceed to the testing, I would like to ask you several questions. Soalan pertama, pernah tak guna website Mr. DIY yang lama?
Tak pernah.
Tak pernah, okey tak apa. Soalan seterusnya, pernah tak guna website e-commerce?
Yang tu pernah.
Apa?
Ya, yang tu pernah.
Yang pernah. Okay. Boleh cerita tak sikit pengalaman macam website yang guna tu okey ke tak dari segi functionality dengan design?
Oh, kalau macam tu saya bandingkan antara Shopee dengan Lazada.
Boleh.
beza daripada Shopee dengan Lazada UI dia, sebab Shopee punya UI agak serabut, tapi pada masa yang sama Lazada pun tak jauh beza, tapi Lazada better lah.
I see. Okay, so kita boleh proceed ke testing sekarang. Saya akan pass pada rakan saya Hazim. Hazim, boleh mulakan.
Boleh. Okay, Haziman, sila share screen Wix.
Okay.
Click the login button. Tekan login button tu. Input the data. Alright. Tekan about us dulu. Scroll bawah. Scroll lagi sikit. Okay, nampaknya kadang-kadang okay. Okay, tekan contact us. Okay, scroll down a bit. In the get in touch, please input your data. Ini masukkan data dalam tu. Okay, thanks for submitting. Okay, Mr. Faris, can you take the lead?
Alright, so sekarang kita boleh test user customer service. Boleh tak? Oh, dah buka ya. Okay. Cuba tulis apa-apa. Macam tanya bot tu anything ke.
Dah introduce.
May I take the lead, Mr. Faris?
Yes, you may.
Okay. Okay, Haziman. Kita terus cek ke purchasing item, okay?
Okay.
Add to cart dulu barang-barang yang aku nak beli. Seribu je Encik Haziman.
Nak buat party.
Weh, okay. Bagus itu Encik Haziman. Okay, view card. Tekan view card. Enter promo code. Use the promo code at the above.
Oh,
Kat atas tu.
yes.
Guna
Okay.
AQP15.
Okay.
Okay, apply. Oh, okay.
You may try the other coupon, Hazimus Primus.
Hazimus Primus.
Alright.
Okay, fine. Okay. Okay, nampaknya kita kena skip dulu lah promo code ni. Okay.
Oh.
Check out dulu
Oh, check out.
Dah test order. Okay, shipping details ada apa-apa nak tukar ke? Biji lutung ke tukar ke mana?
Tekan tukar. Oh, sikit.
Okay. Okay, sila tekan cash on delivery. Okay, place order. Okay, sila lihat email kamu, Cik Haziman.
Oh, okay. Maybe silapan ni email orang lain.
Tak apa, Cik Haziman.
Ni betul email saya. Cuma
sila check email yang paling latest tadi.
oh, ini.
Okay. Adakah betul dengan spesifikasi tersebut? Okay, lighter 1000. Okay, betul. Okay, sila kembali ke website home. Sila tekan profile button di belah kanan tersebut dan sila tekan log out.
Oh.
Okay, Mr. Faris, can you take the lead?
Okay, boleh. So, saya rasa tu saja untuk kita punya testing. Dan sebelum tu saya ada beberapa soalan. Boleh saya tanya tentang pendapat anda tentang Mr. DIY punya website yang sekarang tak? Yang tengah guna ni.
Okay, boleh.
Apa tadi? Saya tak dengar.
Oh, okay, boleh.
Okay, so pendapat anda tentang Mr. DIY punya website yang sekarang ni? Okay tak? Dari segi layout dia, okay tak?
Saya dapati sebenarnya okey sebab dia punya layout home ni cantik, dia ada macam variasi
I see.
dia agak kemas lah
I see. Okay.
dan pilihan ni pun cantik.
Soalan seterusnya, pendapat anda tentang warna yang kita pilih ni okey tak? Tema biru dan kuning.
Itu yang saya cakap tadi, memang warna dia cantik, memang
Okay. So dari soalan terakhir, dari segi functionality, okey tak? Macam nak beli tadi, senang tak nak beli? Senang tak nak add barang dan kad semua?
itu pun sekejap dia saya ingat balik apa yang dia tadi.
Okey, boleh.
Okey, sebab saya ingat tadi saya beli 1000 tu memang 1000 juga yang saya dapat.
Oh, okey.
So, macam
Okay. So, tu saja untuk tanya little interview. Terima kasih Encik Haziman.
okey. Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum and a very good evening. So, can you please introduce yourself?
Hello, my name is Danial. I'm from UTM KL.
I see. So, I'm gonna brief you over of what we're gonna do right now. Right now, we want you to test our website, which is a web-based system called Mr. DIY. So why we're doing this website is because it's a part of our user interface project. So you as a user tester, what you need to do is to test the website in terms of design. Is it very pleasing to use? Is it aesthetically pleasing? And additionally, you need to test in terms of functionality. Is the, let's say, payment gateway working, etc. You also can give your opinion on how to improve the website. So this test will be recorded and all user information are within our reach. User will need to spend around 20 minutes to complete the website testing. So additionally, user will need to follow the instructions that will be given by the instructor, which is me. My name is AIMAN, and Hazim, my friend. Alright, so before we proceed with the testing, I would like to ask you some questions. Can you please wait for a few seconds? Alright, so may I ask you some questions if you don't mind, Mr.
Yes, you
Daniel?
do.
Alright, so the first question is, have you used Mr. DIY's website before?
No.
You haven't used it. Alright,
Yes.
so have you used any e-commerce platform? Like, what's your experience on using the familiar e-commerce platforms like, say, like Shopee or Lazada?
Yes, I have used some like Shopee and Lazada and even AliExpress.
So can you tell me your experience regarding those websites?
My experience regarding the website, specifically on one website or generally?
You can give it in general.
Generally, they are quite convenient and user friendly.
I see. Alright, so we can proceed to user testing. I'll pass it to my friend, Mr. Hazim. You may start now.
Let's share the screen.
Alright.
Click the login button at the right above. Okay.
Login.
Yes, login with email. Google.
Alright.
Alright. Click the About Us menu.
Okay.
Scroll down a bit. Alright, it looks like it's okay. Click the Contact Us menu. Contact Us menu. Contact Us menu. Okay, scroll down a bit.
Alright.
In Get in Touch, input your information.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Looks like it's working perfectly.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Mr. Faris, can you take the lead?
Alright, sure. You can try opening the live chat to your right.
Okay.
Right. You may interact with the bot.
So I put my name.
Yes, just follow the instruction.
Okay. Let's purchase an item.
May I take the lead, Mr. Faris?
Yeah, sure.
All right. Since you do it a couple of turns, couple of turns.
Alright.
Okay. Click the view card below.
Okay.
If you want to use coupon, it's up to you.
What's the code above?
You can enter Hazimus Primus or AKP 15.
Oh.
Apply.
Okay. Click checkout.
Holy shit, free.
I just want to test a place test order.
Okay,
All right. Do you want to change the shipping details?
sure.
Right. Okay. Click the place order. Okay. Open your email.
Alright.
Okay. It seems like the order is placed correctly. Okay. Go to the home page. Click the profile button. Then click logout. All right, Mr. Faris, can you take the lead?
All right, thank you. So this concludes our user testing. Before we can conclude our little test, may I trouble you to ask you a few questions, if you don't mind, Mr. Daniel?
Yes. What question is it?
All right, so the questions are about the website in general. So when you use this website, what's your first impressions? What are your opinions regarding this website? What is the, let's say, in terms of the layout or maybe the colors? Is it pleasing?
My first impression, it does reminds me of an actual Mr. DIY website, and it's very pleasing to browse.
I see. What is your opinion on the color palette we chose, which is blue and yellow?
The color palette that you chose is very accurate to represent Mr. DIY as a company, and it's very pleasant to watch.
I see. All right. So the last question, what's your experience on the functionalities when you use this website? Let's say when you want to add an item, is the expected response accurate, or is it not accurate to what you expect?
It is subpar with my expectation. I did not expect high or low. It works as it should.
I see. So I think that concludes for our user testing today. So thank you, Mr. Daniel, for participating in our little test.
Well,
Okay. Assalamualaikum and a very good evening to my candidates. So can you introduce yourself?
Yes, then. Okay, I introduce myself. My name is Iman and I'm 20 years old. I study at UTM KL.
I see. So the purpose for this Google Meet interview is actually we want you to test one of our final year projects. We redesigned a web-based system called Mr. DIY. So you as a user need to test the website either as in a functional state or not. You also can give your opinion on how to improve the website. This test will also be recorded and all user information are kept within our reach. User will need to spend around 20 minutes to complete the website testing. User will need to follow the instruction that is given by us, which is me. My name is Ahmad Faris Aiman and my fellow teammate AZRI. All right, so for the pre-questions, so I think you can start sharing your screen.
All right, I will share my screen. You guys can see?
Yes, I can see. All right, so before you explore the website, so I want to ask a few questions. So what do you use the website or app for? Like,
Can you repeat your question?
what do you use the website or app for? Like, this
Google
app,
Chrome.
what is your impression of this website? What do you think, what kind of website it is on first glance?
So my first view, I see about some DIY things, which is tools and any materials for building and something constructing.
I see. So, do you see this website as a e-commerce platform?
Yes, yes, I see as an e-commerce platform.
So, other than that, did you have any research before choosing this specific app? What kind of question?
Okay, repeat.
Sorry. What other apps did you use before? What I meant is like, have you used any other e-commerce platform besides our website that we're showing you right now?
I once used I don't remember, but I've used some of these websites, so I think I've used some of the websites.
I think that's fine.
Something
All right.
hardware.
I think I can pass it to my friend Hazim. He will brief you on how to use the website. Hazim, can you take the floor? Thank you.
Okay. Okay, first you have to log in. Click the login at the above right.
Okay. I feel logged in. So I log in as a
Yes, sign up with Google.
already log in.
Okay, right now, can you view each hardware you want to buy? Or electrical, household, everything, sale?
Alright.
Which one you want to buy? After you have choosing something, add to cart.
Alright. Okay. So
you have to click the view card.
check out.
Click check out. Oh, okay. Macam mana? Sekejap. Okay. Mr. Faris, can you do a live chat right now? Mr. Faris, hello.
All right, my bad. My mic was muted. All right, you can try clicking on the bottom right to start a live chat.
Okay. They already sent my information to the customer support.
Try scrolling below.
Okay. Yes. I'm sorry for the unfortunate experience. Okay,
Alright.
what should I do now?
I'll pass to Mr. Hazim.
Okay.
Okay. About the payment, we have to postpone it first. But can you enter the promo code? Yes, the promo code. Use the coupon code at the above. At the above,
Okay.
P15. Use it.
Yes.
It worked. Okay. Click the about us. Okay, the slide is okay. Okay, click the contact us.
Contact us.
Okay, input all your
Information.
in the get in touch.
All right.
Please fill out the field.
All right, I already submit my information.
After that, I think there's nothing that we can do about the payment. We postpone it later. So can you click log out? Click the yes, the icon. Log out. Alright, I think there's no problem with that. So
Alright, you can pass it to me now.
okay.
Alright, thank you for testing our website. Before we conclude our little interview here, can I ask you a few questions regarding the website, if you don't mind?
Yes, you can.
Alright, so I would like your opinion on our website. What do you think, like in terms of layout? How does it feel and look to you? Is it eye-catching?
So, okay, I answer your question. So for me, the website is very nice. It's very eye-catching and a lot of pictures and about households, and it suits about the topic that you use for this subject. So the color it's not too negative. It's balanced. So for me, it's a good website, as you can see from here. Thank you.
I see. I have another question actually. So what do you think about the functionality in terms of, let's say, how you purchase an item, how you press some buttons? Is it very satisfying to use? Is it very, I think, pleasant to use? Yeah.
For me, it's okay. It's not that like delay or something else. It's very smooth. As you can see, I'm clicking here. It shows that it's
It is very
efficient to use.
responsive. I see.
Yes.
All right. So I think that's all from us. So thank you again, Shazly.
All
We
right.
may conclude our little interview here.
Okay.
All right. Assalamualaikum and a very good evening. So
Assalam.
can you introduce yourself?
Okay, my name is Danial Azhad. Okay, there will be testing done by me. It's instructed by you.
All right. So I'm gonna brief you over what we're gonna do right now. So what we're doing is we're redesigning a website called Mr. DIY. Actually, this website is part of our final user interface project. So you as a tester, you need to test the website in terms of functionality and design. The design part aspect is you need to test whether it's pleasing to your eyes. And additionally, you can also give your opinion on how to improve the website at the end of the test. All right. So
Okay.
additionally, this test will be recorded and all user information will be in our reach. User will need to spend around 20 minutes to complete the website testing. Additionally, the user will need to follow the instruction that will be given by the instructor, which is me. My name is AHMAD FARIS Iman and my friend Azim.
Okay.
All right. So before we proceed into the testing, I need to ask you some questions. It's about the website itself. So in general, have you used any Mr. DIY website before?
Not yet. Never.
Never. All right. So on to the next question. Have you used any e-commerce platform before? Let's say maybe like Lazada and Shopee.
Yes, I use Shopee and Lazada frequently.
Can you describe your experience on those websites?
So I'll describe from my experience when first time look into the website. It's quite chaotic, but as I get used to it, it looks very structured.
I see. All right. So I'll pass to my friend Hazim. Hazim, you may start.
Okay. Mr. Azhad, do you want to
Yes.
use Malay or English?
Let's use Malay.
I use Malay, okay.
Yes, sir.
Sila
Yeah.
share screen website tersebut.
Sebentar. Okay.
Okay.
Oops. Okay, nampak?
Okay. Sila tekan button login atas kanan. Inputkan data kamu. One two eight 257. Alright. Okay, apa? Sila tekan menu About Us. Scroll sikit ke bawah. Okay, nampaknya dalam keadaan baik. Tekan Contact Us menu. Scroll sikit ke bawah. Okay, yang dekat Get in Touch tu, sila inputkan data kamu.
Ni?
Type message tu, dia kena letak.
Nak tak apa.
Letak je lah apa benda. Okay. Okay, nampaknya dalam keadaan elok. Okay, Mr. Faris, boleh awak gantikan saya?
Boleh. Okay, cuba tekan dekat bottom right corner yang chat with us tu. Cuba main dengan chatbot tu dulu.
Mr. Faris, boleh saya ambil?
Alright, boleh.
Okay. Azhad,
Ya.
sila tekan mana-mana barang kamu nak.
Okay.
Add to cart. View cart bawah tu. Kalau nak promo code boleh juga enter promo code tu. Tekan AQP15. Okay. Okay, nampaknya dah okay. Check out. I just want to, okay. Shipping details tu nak tukar ke something? Okay, save and continue kalau nak. Okay, place order, tekan place order. Sila lihat email kamu. Okay, tengok ini nampaknya order dalam keadaan hidup. Okay, sila kembali ke home DIY yang tadi. Klik pada home tu. Home. Okay. Klik pada profile button tersebut. Kanan atas. Okay, log out.
Log. Okay.
Okay, Mr. Faris.
Okay. Sebelum, I think for now that concludes our user testing. So sebelum tu, saya boleh ke saya tanya beberapa soalan?
Boleh.
Okay, so soalan ni berkaitan dengan website ni. Apakah macam first impression anda tentang website Mr. DIY yang kami design ni?
Okay, first impression nampak sangat teratur dan very structured banding dengan first experience saya dengan Shopee, which is sangat tak teratur at the first. And then saya nak komen sikit about us boleh?
Boleh.
Okay. Saya rasa about us kat tag semua tag ni kalau boleh ada macam color atau shape untuk distinct dia daripada background sebab nampak lebih berbeza lah.
Nak bagi nampak lah. Okay, boleh? Okay, soalan seterusnya. Dari segi warna, color palette kita pilih ni okay ke? Tema dia kuning dengan biru.
Color palette sangat bersesuaian dari biru dan oranye ni. Nampak sangat teratur lah.
Okay. Soalan terakhir. Dari segi functionality website ni, macam tadi nak beli barang, nak add item to cart, benda tu expected output tu accurate ke dengan apa anda expect?
Yes, sangat accurate dengan tempat di mana bersesuaian untuk use promotion coupon dan untuk place order.
Okay, saya rasa tu saja soalan daripada saya. Itu conclude our little session of user testing. So, terima kasih Encik Azhad.
Okay, sama-sama.